Good morning. Good morning, everyone from Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. Today, I'm going to Magic Kingdom. We're wearing the 2021 merch cutesy today. It's gonna be a long day. We're both very tired from walking and being at every park, open to close, but we're gonna do it one last time tonight, our last park of this trip. Tomorrow is Disney Springs and the Character Warehouse video you guys already saw, so stay tuned for the others coming soon, including the haul and everything. Today we're gonna go try to rope drop Mine Train, running a little bit behind though, kind of something a little longer than expected because we were both so tired last night. So it's currently 7:24, the park opens at 8. We'll probably be getting to the park at 8, but I'm sure there's people there already. So we're gonna be waiting just a little bit for Mine Train here this morning, get that one knocked off our list, and then we shouldn't be waiting too much the rest of the day, but we'll see. I can't wait to eat all the snacks. It's gonna be so fun.
Class of 2021, thank you. Graduated, very good.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
It is time for the reveal. My favorite reveal. Here we go. Oh, how nice. There it is. It looks so much taller in person. The camera never shows it well, but the castle looking beautiful. Mine Train is currently down, which is what we were planning to rope drop, but the line's already super long, so that might be something we do this evening as the park closes. Everything in Tomorrowland's, like the highest wait is 10 minutes, so we're gonna start off in there at the Tomorrowland Speedway. That actually looks a little more than a 10-minute wait, so we're actually gonna go try Buzz. I was gonna say I'm gonna try to max out on this, but I know I won't, so we're just gonna have a good time. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and try to do my best. Love this ride. Time to take a ride through space. Space Mountain. Here we go. You can't see me right now. Stop. But we just did the Alpha track. Oh, here we come. Ooh.
For the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover, your quiet invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your Grand Circle tour of tomorrow. Exciting places you'll want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
Look at that. That's going to be crazy.
And now, the Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and the Tomorrowland Speedway. Put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Yep.
I wonder if they're going to add an announcement about Tron onto this ride after it opens. I don't feel like I'm in the seat.
Trip Ariel's voice away from her. Wait a minute, you look kind of familiar.
Party!
lot of rides and it's not even 11 o'clock yet. Just stopped to get a popcorn refill, and the lady saw that we just graduated and gave us our refill for free. So that is super, super sweet, so very magical. And that cavalcade, that cast member, oh geez, oh Bart, that cast member in front of us was so hyped, so excited, because today cast members who are vaccinated don't have to wear masks outside. So we're seeing lots of smiling faces today. It's so cute. It's currently a 20-minute wait for Pirates of the Caribbean, so that's where we're headed.
Anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not less they be laying golden eggs.
Hey there, you bilge rat.
Put your The eject button here underneath all your seats. You guys are about to ride Astro Orbiter here in 3, 2, 1. I'm joking, guys. Welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Frank. I'm going to be your skipper, your guide, your DJ, your chef, your conscience, your dance instructor, and most likely swimming instructor in case things sail a little south. Anyways, I get to present to you the 8th wonder of the world. The only reason you're here on the Jungle Cruise ride. Ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water! Isn't that refreshing?
Alright, after our super long wait at Jungle Cruise, it is now lunchtime. My friend is getting Pecos bill, but you have to mobile order there, so she's standing there waiting for her mobile order. I'm running up here to Fantasyland because they actually have a souvenir bucket that I'm going to get. It comes with like a hot dog and everything. I love the Disney chicken, and I haven't like really found it yet. Like not a lot of places have it. I know Cosmic Rays does, so I'm probably gonna get that for dinner. Just do something quicker now because we're definitely gonna be doing a lot of snacking today. The castle looks fantastic with all the ornaments and everything on it. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I will be back for around the time of the 50th anniversary, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see it. It's gonna be so magical. But it's crazy to be so close to it now. Here we go. Here it is. That's wild. I cannot wait to ride that. That's gonna be intense, insane. Time for our next attraction, Mine Train. Woo! Oh. We're now up on Main Street, about to do something I've always wanted to do. These are the silhouettes where they cut out by hand and you can get them in these really cool frames. I thought this would be a really good time to get one since I graduated. It'd be cool to get one at like certain milestones like this. So like graduating high school, graduating college, whatever it is, like all throughout the rest of my life. I think it'd be cool to have them for different milestones and stuff. And they're actually not as expensive as you would think. It's like $10-ish a cutout per person, and it's like $11 for the frame, and you actually get 2 cutouts because they like the paper's folded in half. So pretty cool deal. I'm very excited to do it. I'm currently waiting in line, and of course I'll show you guys the final product, but this is a really, really cool souvenir that you can get, and you can even get a silhouette cutout of your whole family while you're here. So it's just a really nice memory, just like a moment in time silhouette. I got my silhouette. I'll show it better in my haul video.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the haunted
I don't know if you
mansion.
So it's been some time. We rode Buzz Lightyear again, and we also did Astro Orbiter. Wasn't really the best moment to pull the camera out. I have my backpack, and then I also have this bag of stuff and things that I can't wait to show you for the whole video. We stopped off in one of my favorites, Cosmic Rays, because they have chicken. I love the Disney chicken. This looks amazing. It's so good. Allergy, perfect. They're so good about that. And then a huge thing of fries. So very cool. And then I did want to mention mobile ordering. I'm not a fan. I liked it before they made it like a permanent thing, but like a lot of the locations in the park, like you can't go up and order. You have to mobile order, and it takes again like a crazy amount of time. You go up to get your stuff, and I feel so bad because all the cast members are so overloaded. They're trying to situate everything, and I just feel so bad that like it's rushing them. I just don't think that mobile ordering is working for them, and then for us, it's like also inconvenient too. It's a lot of confusion. Whenever I was walking to the back, I was talking about I'm gonna go get a hot dog and everything. I didn't film after that because it took like 25 minutes for me to get a hot dog from a stand, and then it ended up not being that great. So that was probably one of the worst meals of the trip. And then I also forgot to mention in the Epcot video, I did not like Mexico at all. That was probably the worst Disney sit-down meal I've ever had. I didn't eat like Mexican food. I had chicken, but it was like very like chewy. It wasn't warm. It just was not a good meal. So this looks good on the other hand, and I've already had some bites of it. It's amazing, so I'm gonna enjoy this now. That is going to do it for Magic Kingdom Day. Enjoying a churro. We rode Winnie the Pooh also. Great times, so much fun to be had. Stay tuned for the haul videos. Stay tuned for more park videos coming soon. And remember to do what you love and do what makes you happy, and I will see you all next time. Bye!